Hello, in this lab we are going to be working on lab 10.3.7, which is a disabled network service. Okay, so you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You have had problems with users installing remote access services like remote desktop services with VNC server. You need to find, stop, and disable this service on all computers running them. In this lab, your task is to use ZMAP to run a scan on 192.168.0.24.0/24 and then port 339 remote desktop services, port 5900 VNC server, answer question 1 and 2, disable and stop services for open point found running on the applicable computers. Use the following web address. Okay, so we have all the details we need here. An IT laptop. Remember, this is lab 10.3.7. So let's start up. If you find this video to be too fast for you, you can pause the video occasionally so that you'll be able to walk at my own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. So quickly, let's look at the first task here. We are using ZMAP. So we'll go to ZMAP here, open it up. So nmap -p -3389.192.168.0.0/24. So that is the IP address given here. So we scan, and what do we have? Okay, so 192.1 office 2. Let's see what cells we have here. So let's answer the question. This is going to be office 2, and let's say it's going to be 5900. We scan. Let's see what we have here. This is for .32. We have .32 here. .31 IT admin. .31 IT admin. So disable and stop the service for the open port found running on the applicable computers. Use the following table to identify the computers. So we go to IT administration, we go to computer management, services and application. Then click on services here and expand this to make this clearer. Then we'll scroll down till we get to, let's see where this is. It's a VNC server. So it has started, but now we are told to disable it. We stop this and we apply. Click OK. Okay, so this is done. We'll go to office 2. We'll go to computer management. We'll go to service and application. Click on services. We expand this and we'll scroll down to V and see where do we have it. Remote desktop services. Okay, so we are going to disable remote desktop services. Stop this and we ensure stop, then apply. Click OK. So this is done. It's not disabled. So answer the questions that are following. The questions has been answered. So we're going to check answers now. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit.